Welcome to school 2. School 2. Girl, I'm feeling deep in my boom. Tight, make it boom. Oh, yeah, knock me, tap me, and boss battle. Follow me in tomorrow. Girl, I'm feeling deep in my boom. Tight, make it boom.
My uncle dropped this bread inside and he said I should not eat it.
Why?
I don't know. But I want you to eat it and taste it for me.
Yeah. Okay. With all these things that are here.
What? Jesus! Fornication! Apostle will hear of this. You will end up in my daughter.
Wow. You just made my day. You have made my day.
What? Jesus!
Yes. Is there any problem?
Problem? Where and how?
Are you feeling alright?
Like how?
Is your temperature not high?
There's no problem. Why are you asking me all these questions?
Are you not having running stomach?
Why?
Are you sure?
No.
Headache?
No.
Don't you want to urine?
No.
You don't want to go to the toilet?
No. I'm not feeling anyhow.
My uncle said he put some rat poison inside the bread.
Jenifa.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm going out.
Okay, sir.
You have eaten this morning.
It was not enough.
You have eaten. It's not enough.
Yes.
I kept something under the table. I don't want you to touch it. Do you hear me? I kept something there. Don't touch it. The reason why I kept it there is for the rats. Don't touch it. See, it's for your own good. Okay. Don't do what? Don't touch it. I'm going out now. Take care of the house.
Hey! Me, I should not touch it. We will watch and see.
That's all.
So I wanted you to eat it before I eat it. So I'll see if it will kill you. So I'll not die.
What?
What? Rat what?
School 2.